birds in the city. They are always aware of every moment. Where do they live? Where can they rest quietly from their daylight squanderings? Weary, they only come to an offering, and then, maybe, one at a time, for moments. It's then you stay silently still, so as not to distract or cause notice. The one closes in, every so watchful, each side of his head keeping guard, as the small sword of a beak, truly small, but somehow dangerous. For one instant, poised, darts down to its goal, precisely winning, and off. The smaller ones attack with precision and swift, whereas the larger, more steadily and unswerving, their eyes and beak spite and warning when they arrive. They leave not so quickly, gluttonous and messy. But mostly, they are not there. They are unseen. Yet ever present. And always watching. And we